I am Marty Nemko. I'm sitting here doing my income tax returns, and it made me feel like doing a reprise of a little essay that I wrote about a year ago called Replace Income Tax with Sales Tax. Everyone groans at doing their income tax returns. Even if we use a tax preparer, we have to do most of the work to get the receipts and other papers ready for the preparer. And income tax can feel unfair. Fat cats have fancy accountants to find every legal and quasi-legal tax avoidance strategy, while we peons pay a painfully high share of our income to the feds, to the state, and in hundreds of municipalities from New York City to San Francisco, city income tax. What if we replaced all income taxes with an equivalent increase in sales tax? What I call easy tax would yield myriad benefits. Of course, that would save us the annual odious project preparing our income tax returns. Tax finagling and downright cheating would be reduced because sales tax would be collected every time we bought something. No, trust me, tax returns. The time-consuming, stressful IRS audit would be a thing of the past. It would even be good for the environment. If you tax people's purchases rather than their income, they'll buy less stuff. And buying less means more to invest, which lowers interest rates for borrowers. To ensure that the rich pay their fair share, tax rates would vary. Basic items wouldn't be taxed. Most items would be taxed at, say, 20%, and luxury items at 30%. To avoid Democrats and GOP fighting, it could be revenue neutral. That is, the amount collected by the increased sales tax would equal the amount that would have been paid in income tax. On the downside, there would be job loss. Decreased buying would cost many jobs. Also, jobs as tax preparer would also be lost, and we wouldn't need so large an IRS, let alone Biden's $87 billion increase in the IRS budget per year. In sum, many of us doubt we get good value for all the taxes we pay: federal, state, local, property tax, tolls, and so on. At least if income taxes were replaced by sales tax, we would eliminate the hassle of filing returns, fat cat tax avoidance, and tax cheating, while encouraging investing, and it even being good for the environment. In any case, that little essay is called Replace Income Tax with Sales Tax. As usual, I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments, and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel, and certainly would welcome you taking a look at any of my 34 books. The most relevant to this is my book Thought Experiments, in which I have about 45 of these kind of conjectural ideas. But all 34 are on Amazon. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I am Marty Nemko.